Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn off sound effects on Fruit Ninja application. So let's dive ahead into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, make sure that you've opened up the Fruit Ninja application on your device. By default, you will hear a background sound effect and music for Fruit Ninja. If you want to turn it off and play your game silently without letting anyone to hear your sound on your game, simply go ahead and tap on the menu button appearing at the top right hand corner of the main homepage. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, you will be able to see the music note or the speaker icon right next to your name. Go ahead and tap on the both icons and make sure they look like this. And soon after you do that, you will be able to turn off sound effects on Fruit Ninja and play your game silently. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.